Okay, good morning. I'm going to show you how to clean this stove, specifically the glass that's in the front of your stove. You can see mine's got some stuff on it that's really on the inside. So first thing I did was I took this piece off, which it sat here on the top like that. It has two little push buttons on the side. Can you see that? Let's see. See if I can get a better focus. So, no. Anyway, those two little things right there. Whoops, sorry. These here, you're going to push them in with your fingers on both sides and pull up. And that will take it off and allow you to see all of this stuff down in there. Now, what I'm trying to do next is to get this glass off, which I'm not sure I can. It looks like it's clamped right here, and maybe if I pinch both of these little pieces right here, maybe, I'm sorry, the video is going to be all kinds of ways. Maybe that'll let it come off, and I'm going to see if I can grab that off. I just cleaned the bottom of the stove, and it was fairly easy because I pretty much keep it clean. I just took one of those SOS pads and scrubbed it. But if you're cooking like meat and stuff and you go weeks without cleaning it, I'm sure it's going to be a lot more tougher to clean. But I usually clean my stove once a week or every other week. That's pretty much it. So let me see if I can get this glass off, and then I'll let you know how I did it, and we'll go from there. But the goal is to get all of this stuff that's inside of the glass cleaned out. Okay, be back.